Beats me. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Beater Box Monday. Welcome to SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box for sale today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hi, pals! This box is from Sole Supremacy. They will be opening up memberships very soon, so give them a follow on Twitter and turn on post notifications, because that's how you're going to be able to find out some info about the membership thing, if you're interested, I guess. This box, just a little tiny guy. This was $600 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of 640 buckaroos. These boxes are usually priced under market, so there's a good chance we can make some money on them, so go ahead and follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. And then we're going to break down the entire box at the end to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth. So let's open the box and see what's inside of here. Don't expect anything crazy in these boxes. Anything under like 800 bucks, there's not really going to be anything like hyped, which is cool. I like getting boxes like these because I like the obscure, weird things that you just might not see in beater boxes. All right, so this thing's open. There's a couple loose shoes, 2 pairs. First pair is a grade school Jordan 13 in a size 4.5 youth. This is the recent release, right? Yeah, these are from 2016. Not too bad condition. The shape on grade school 13s is just weird because the tongue is just magnificently huge. But these are in okay shape. Bottoms are pretty okay, they just need cleaned up. I've said it 5 billion times in other videos. The nice thing about grade school pairs is kids don't wear them very long, so there's never really much wear. So there's a couple scuffs right here on the toe box. Yeah, just no box. Size 4.5 youth? Yeah, size 4.5 youth Jordan 13s. And we have another loose pair, some kind of air penny. These are beaters. Look, flap, flap, flap. So these will be probably under 30 bucks on the website. It's a really cool colorway. There's just some separation here because, yeah, these are from 2008, so they definitely have some years on them. Overall, they look in pretty okay shape. They just have enough wear to wear. It's weird. They have enough wear as to have some separation. So there you go. They'll be cheap today. Size 10.5. Air pennies. Not very often do you get shoes like that in beater boxes. Let's see. First off, we have an Air Force One in a size 11. Air Force One 07. Oh, ooh, these are from the Have a Nike Day Pack that came out earlier this year. This is the pink Air Force One though. These are actually, in my opinion, really cool. I'm a huge sucker for pink colorways. These are dead stock too, so that's very cool. See the big smiley face on the side there. Got Have a Nike Day branding on the tongue. Yeah, very cool. And a size 11 too. Dang, nice. I don't know how much these are going for. What was retail on these? I don't know what retail was too. It's an Air Force One, so it was probably around 100 bucks, but there you go. Size 11. Have a Nike Day. Air Force One low. Let's do this. This is a Jordan 1 in a size 10. Jordan 1. This is a pair that released earlier this year. This is the second one of these I've gotten in recent months, but these are just kind of goofy. It's the Air Jordan 1 in the Phantom colorway. These are worn. You can see the creasing all over the toe box. It's because this leather is just weird. Like, it's not bad, but it's not good. It comes with all the extra laces, which is pretty awesome. I think they're missing one black lace, but it's got the white ones and the red ones. So size 10, decent size. Not much heel drag or star loss, but they're just dirty. They just need to clean up and they'll be good to go. There you go, size 10. Jordan 1 Phantoms. 4 down, looks like 5 to go. There's a lot of shoes in here. So next up we have a Nike Zoom Rookie in a size 10.5. I don't know the name of the colorway, but this is actually a pretty slick looking shoe. Dynamic blue. So maybe they're called Dynamic Blue. I don't really know. Very cool looking colorway. And these are in pretty decent shape too. Not much wear on the insoles. The outsoles just are a little bit dirty. Cool. I don't know what the value is on these. I can't imagine it's super lots, but cool looking shoe. There you go, 10.5. Air penny 1, right? I think? I don't really know. I would assume because it says rookie, that would mean his first year, which translates to 1, I guess. Let's see what this is. This is an Air Tech Challenge 2 SP in a size 8.5. Oh, these are those Andre Agassi shoes. Okay, so it's an Air Tech Challenge 2. I don't know what the name of these are. These are the Andre Agassi, the tennis player who was the bad boy in the 90s. There's a lot going on here. There's this like weird thing on the side. The medial side has denim, which is actually pretty cool. But these are dead stock, size 8.5, Air Tech Challenge 2. I don't know what these are worth. Retail on these, the retail thing is taken off, so looks like an outlet find, but you never know. There you go, size 8.5. Air Tech Challenge 2. We got a LeBron in here. It's a LeBron 8 PS in a size 10.5. So these are worn, obviously, because they have some age on them, but LeBron 8 in this like bluish with yellow colorway. I've had these before. I don't remember what they're called. They went for a good amount. So these might actually fetch a pretty decent amount. LeBron 8, like LeBron 7 through LeBron 9s are just, they hit. I don't know why. Very cool looking shoe. I really like this colorway. I think it's very cool, and it's just not similar to any LeBron 8. Looks like we got two more in here. First up, of the last two, which makes no sense, we have a Jordan 1 KO High. This is an Air Jordan 1 KO, which means it's a canvas upper for the most part. I don't know what this colorway is called, but it's kind of dirty, you can see. I'm gonna clean these up with Rejuvenator SPMH 10 and see how these fare out, but it's a size 10.5 AJ1 KO. Huh, interesting. I didn't even know they were making KOs still, to be honest with you. We got one more in here. I know what it is by the box. It's an Air Force 1 Fly Leather Quick Strike in a size 12. You can see the box. This is the Earth Day release that was a collaboration with, what was the dude's name? Steve Harrington? Yeah, but not like the dude from Stranger Things. Isn't that the guy's name? I don't even know. Ooh, these are dead stock too. All right, cool. There it is. This is a Air Force 1 in the fly leather material that you don't see on many releases. It's got this cool little design on the side and on the medial heel. Very nice. These are dead stock. That's kind of awesome. I know these still go over like $400 now. So a lot of people did not expect these to do well on secondary markets, but man, they did. I think it's a really cool looking shoe, and it's Earth Day themed. Like, what's not to like about that? There you go, size 12. Air Force 1 in the Earth Day colorway type thing, I guess. Fly leather. Fly leather is a very interesting material. It feels soft, but it doesn't look like normal leather. Huh. Cool, nice. That is a $600 beater box. I think this box is really good. Let's take a look at the numbers in the breakdown. So there were 9 pairs in this box. Only one of them was really beat. I think this box potentially has a lot of profit, so I'm a big fan. I like these mid-tier boxes. There's nothing wrong with them. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is ransomnotesneakers.com. Check it out if you want. I don't really know. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you like it, remember to like and subscribe. If you don't, dislike it, so that way you don't see more like it. That was a pretty confusing sentence. I had to burp, sorry. Thanks for watching. See you on Friday for Beater Box Friday version 18 billion or whatever it is. Till next time, remember, they're just sneakers. They're supposed to be fun, so make it fun for everybody, including yourself. Bye!